Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Side of the Motors. J-Lap with you, and today I have got a treat for you. This is a 2020 Winnebago Revel 44E. This is a 4x4 on a Sprinter chassis. It has 19,000 miles on it. We are going to take you for a little tour after we open it up. We're going to show you the outside. We're going to show you the inside. Let's get to it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have got the Revel opened up. As you saw, this was a one-touch awning. Very nice to have. This is your outdoor table. I wanted to show you, you do have your water hookups. Right here, your tank fill, all that jazz. Fresh water drain, all right there. But here you've got some nice outdoor seating. Our bins on the back, that is a very nice upgrade from the previous owner. A lot of storage in this one. Other side, you'll see you got a little bit of shelf life in there. You do have a full like mosquito net, basically a bug net, and it's magnetized. Isn't that fun? This is a Sprinter chassis. It is a 3.0 engine, V6. It's diesel. It's a 2500. So you do have 9,050 pounds of towing capacity, and we'll show you the setup back there. We've got some nice driver options on this as well that we'll show you. Great off-road tires, running boards with our nice Winnebago logo on it. Plus you've got the running lights on the side there. We do have a gray water tank dump there, and this is your toilet dump. Toilet is a 5-gallon capacity, and the fresh water and the gray tank are both 21-gallon capacity. Here's your 30 amp hookup for when you have shore power. Shore power. Like I said, you got the little shelves there, nice to have. Ladder access is right here. I'm going to show you that they built in on here. This is your little step. Step up here, get on up. We're not going to go up to the roof, but you'll see it in the drone footage. This does have 2 solar panels on it, as well as an AC unit that's built in. And we'll show you the AC unit inside. Coming around to the back. This is your garage space / bedroom space. We do have a bunk, a power bunk. I'll show you how that goes up and down once we get inside. But it's a great system, very fast, very quiet. Take it up, there's a little seatbelt latch for safety, and then you've got a garage space. Previous owner also bought an extra mattress, so you have a bed here. You could have a bed here as well. Your outdoor water or outdoor shower, right here's your nozzle, but it's a quick connect here with your water. Water pump button is right here above it. So that is the back. Once this is up, that is a great garage space. You could also be parked here, have your doors open, and you have another net here, which is great to have. Enjoy the outdoors. That's what this guy's for. You can get into pretty much anywhere. You can park, you get the views, you get all of that. Really just a great vehicle for that. So that is the exterior. Let's get on into the interior. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the interior. We've got us in camp mode here. Next part of the video, we'll show you the options on the front because it does have a lot of great drivability options. But back here, we'll start in the front. Obviously, you've got 2 extra seats right here. We've got our whole control panel over here. which we'll show you in a bit. But this section, there's a lot of stuff that can go on here. First off, you've got a little table that just pops up if you don't get your leg caught in it, and then folds on a hinge right there, and boom. We're playing cards, we're eating dinner, whatever you want. Charging port up there. Nice LED lights throughout. Good ambiance. Get your leg out. Quick, easy fold. One thing I appreciate about Winnebago, they don't skimp on hardware. Like, that was a nice solid latch. It's very easy, it's very user-friendly, all of that. We've got extra storage above there. Actually, what's up there right now is the blackout curtains, so that you can black out all the lighting. The nice thing about these, this is essentially a screen, so you can, for the daylight, you can open those windows, get some airflow, and then at night, they're the blackout shades. Or you can separate them and just look out the windows. So, good options on the windows. Same in the back. You can actually open the windows, have the mesh on. Just turn on your fantastic fan here and move some nice air without ever having to turn on the AC. Now, here we've got our lights, and they are 2 settings, so you can go low or you can go high. We've got our inverter, which is from our solar system, so it's a Zamp solar system. Right here, that's your whole control panel for that. This does have a diesel heater. It also has an electric heater, and all of that is run right here and right here. So your thermostat is right here. You have to turn systems on in order to activate everything. If you just stay in this section here with the water heater off here, you can do everything through your diesel furnace right here. And it's got 2 different fans. So fan speed high, fan speed low. You have to turn your furnace on. That'll start pumping through. If you're using the diesel, which is what you want to use unless you're plugged into shore power, because the electric element does use a lot of electricity. So if you're using the diesel, they really recommend you pump it up. So, you know, set it to 80, set it to 90, and let it go. Otherwise, you turn your systems off, and then you're not running anything. If you want the electric, you turn your systems on, and you do a water heater on. But like I said, not the best idea if you're not plugged in. You do have solar, but that takes a lot of electricity. It's like 12 volts. So turn that off. So your systems need to be on in order to run your thermostat. And you can do it right here with the diesel heater, or right here with the electric. Makes sense? Great. Water pump, you can turn it on here. You saw the switch in the back. You can do it there if you want that outdoor shower function. This is your tank and battery level reader. And right now you're seeing the solar system has charged everything to its capacity. The van is running right now, so we have AC coming from the front. But you could always turn your vent on back here, or you could run your AC. You do have a nice little remote for your fantastic max air vent. Now into our nice little galley kitchen and bathroom area. Actually, we aren't done with the front yet. I don't know, Ethan, can you get back far enough for me to just quick show what's going on with this table? So we're sleeping 2 on the bunk, and we've got 2 underneath. What you can do is pop this guy out, bring this over and down, and then this cushion, well, actually you flip it around, and then this guy sits right here, and you've got another little bed. So understand, it's not the largest or the most comfortable, but hey, kids don't need to be large or comfortable. I always found. So we'll put that back up. Also, some controls I didn't do, that's the awning. And then this is the awning light, which we didn't turn on yet, but now we did. Look at that, LEDs. This is where you fill up your fresh water tank right here. Like I said, 21 gallons is its capacity. Also, important to know, you've got a disconnect switch right there. Always know where that's at. Now, in our kitchen, this is a bit of a boat galley here. We've got the nice little sink. Again, water pump needs to be turned on, but you can run water in here. These fun little fixtures here gives you your drawer, and then you can hide that so you're not snagging anything on your hardware. But nice quality material on that. We have a nice little induction 1-burner heater, or stovetop. You got your cabinets above, some cabinets here. So these shelves can come in and out and be moved around in this one. we do have a little fridge right here. This guy right here is the clip for your tabletop leg outside, but this is your bathroom. So, accordion door. Actually a lot of space in here. Now, you do notice this could be your closet when you're not using it as a shower, obviously. And then you've got your toilet here, and there is a compartment on the back. Like I said, it's a 5-gallon compartment. You pull it off the side and dump it. This is also your shower, so it's a wet bath. Now, as you notice, you've got these little shelves on the side. You get 2 shelves, little bamboo shelves that you can throw in there, so that really can be your closet if you're not using it as a shower, and then the lock is right there. AC is up here. It is not a ducted AC. These are your vents, so you can direct it by closing other ones, but it is what it is pretty much for there. Now, we call this the Euro Loft because it was made in Europe. Just kidding, I don't know. Up we go. It's a really clean, quiet system, really fast. And that storage is great. So we'll put it there, and then, like I said, there's a little safety clip right here that clips in. It's like a seat belt, and then that secures it up here, and then you have this whole garage space. So if you don't need the mattress, obviously, take it out. You can fit a ton of stuff back here. Yeah, there's a lot of options for the back there. So that is our loft. And like I said, up and down, really quick, really quiet. Man, it works so well. So there you go. That is the loft. That pretty much is our living space. What we're going to do now, we'll turn the seats back around and we're going to go up to the front. All right, so we are in the cab. You do have all of your like normal vehicle controls here. You've got your lights above. You can turn your power door and everything off up here in your center console or the above console. This is our infotainment center. It is awesome. Touch screen, nice and wide. Up here you have your connections for the USB ports, 9-volt, all of that jazz. So that's hidden compartment up there. You can actually keep your phone in there. And then this does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. These are your cameras, or this is your camera, your backup camera, and then it's telling you all your doors are open. So if we go home button, there we go. So home, you've got all of these things that you can play with, not while you're driving, obviously. Apps, like I said, you can do the smartphone stuff, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but you do have to be hooked up, obviously. Radio, no media connected. I don't know if anybody has iPods anymore. Navigation, check that bad boy out. Phone hookup, all that jazz is in here, as well as you can have your engine information here, your consumption information as far as fuel, and then you have a digital owner's manual right there, all in your screen. This is your home button. You can always go back with the home. Let's go into settings real quick. This has everything for setup. It does have a 4G hotspot option. You can change your display. You can change everything in here basically. You have your vehicle, all of this stuff. This is your parking assistant. So you do have cameras. You also have lane assist. You've got active braking assist. You've got back parking sensors, which with the boxes, maybe not the best thing unless you want to get beeped at a lot. The other thing, you've got a radar up here, so you will have adaptive cruise control, and all those settings are over here on the wheel. This is your climate, fan speed, temperature, AC, all of that jazz is right there. Power door button, which we can't use right now because our table is down outside. Also, we've got paddle shifter. You also have low range stuff down here for the 4-wheel drive system, which is fantastic. All right, so your steering wheel, we've got this section controls your data up front, and these little guys, this is your entertainment, your phone, your volume, all of that. But this little guy, it's like you can go home and then swipe through on this thing It's just a good time. Takes you back to the BlackBerry days if you're old enough. So this is your infotainment center. This is over here. You can set your cruise control here, and then your spacing for the whether you want to be closer or further away with the auto thing. You got automatic lights and all of that is over here. This is your gear shifter, and this is your windshield wiper, and that's about it. But I mean, just a practical layout. You can get anywhere in this thing. Again, 2020 Winnebago Revel 44E. I did forget to point out. There you go. 19,166 miles on this guy, so there's a ton of life left in this thing. It has been very well maintained, very well taken care of, and we're excited to sell it to you. So if you have any questions, give us a call, Sauter Motors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.